Hello, everyone, and welcome to Everyday English Class. I'm Emily, your English teacher. It's so good to have you here. Today, we have a fun topic. We're going to talk about what you like to do. Thank you for joining us. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and share it with your friends. It really helps more learners find us.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jake. I'm happy to be here again. Today's topic sounds great. I love talking about things I like to do.
That's perfect, Jake, because this lesson is all about that. Today, we'll learn how to say what you like, how to ask other people what they like, and how to use some simple verbs like play, watch, go, read, and listen. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Emily. Let's do it.
Great. Let's start with the question. What do you like to do? Can you repeat after me? What do you like to do?
What do you like to do?
Very good. You can also ask, what do you like doing? Both are fine. What do you like to do? And what do you like doing mean the same thing. Now, if I ask you, Jake, what do you like to do? What can you say?
I can say, I like to play football.
Exactly. That's a great answer. I like to play football. You can also say, I like playing football. Can you say that too?
I like playing football.
Perfect. Listeners, your turn. Can you repeat after Jake? I like playing football. Good job.
Emily, can I also say, I like football?
Yes. That's a good question. I like football is shorter and very natural. You don't always have to say the verb. You can say, I like coffee, I like music, or I like cats. Easy, right?
Yes, easy. I like coffee too.
Me too. Okay, let's practice more examples. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it after me. Ready? I like to watch movies.
I like to watch movies.
I like reading books.
I like reading books.
I like listening to music.
I like listening to music.
Great job. Listeners, you can also repeat after us. This is great practice for your pronunciation. Let's do one more. I like cooking.
I like cooking.
Excellent. Now let's talk about why. Why do you like something? You can say, I like it because, for example, I like cooking because it's relaxing. Jake, what do you like and why?
I like watching movies because it's fun and easy.
Good sentence. Let's help our listeners practice. Everyone, repeat. I like watching movies because it's fun.
I like watching movies because it's fun.
Excellent. You can also use because to explain more. For example, I like music because it makes me happy. I like walking because it's healthy. I like learning English because it's useful.
I like learning English because it's useful. I love that one.
I do too. So now we know how to say what we like and why we like it. Let's learn how to ask other people. You can say, what do you like to do in your free time? Repeat that with me. What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Nice! That's a common question. You can also say, what are your hobbies? Or, what do you enjoy doing? These all mean the same thing.
Oh, so what are your hobbies? And what do you like to do? Are the same question.
Exactly. For example, if someone asks you, what are your hobbies? You can answer, I like swimming, or I like painting, or I like to play the guitar.
I see. I like playing the guitar too.
Wonderful. That's a great hobby. Listeners, can you say that with Jake? I like playing the guitar.
I like playing the guitar.
Beautiful. Now let's make it a bit more fun. Jake, Let's do a short conversation together, okay?
Sure.
I'll start. Hey, Jake, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies and play football. What about you?
I like reading books and listening to music.
Oh, nice. What kind of books do you like?
I like travel books and stories about people.
Cool. I like funny movies.
Excellent. That was a simple and natural conversation. Listeners, did you understand everything? Let's practice some parts together. Repeat after us. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies and play football.
I like reading books and listening to music.
What kind of books do you like?
I like travel books.
I like funny movies.
Great. Now you can talk about what you like in real life too.
Emily, can we also say what we don't like?
Yes, of course. You can say, I don't like, for example, I don't like cold weather. I don't like waking up early. I don't like spicy food.
I don't like spicy food. That's true for me too.
Really? I love spicy food.
Oh no, too hot for me.
Ha ha ha. Okay, so let's help our listeners. Repeat. I don't like cold weather. I don't like waking up early. I don't like spicy food.
I don't like cold weather. I don't like waking up early. I don't like spicy food.
Perfect. Now let's try mixing likes and dislikes. For example, I like summer, but I don't like winter. Jake, can you make one like that?
I like coffee, but I don't like tea.
Great. Another one. I like cats, but I don't like dogs.
Oh no, I like both.
Ha 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 ha. That's fine too. You can say, I like cats and dogs.
Yes, I like cats and dogs.
Excellent. Let's do some listening practice. I'll say a sentence, and you think, is it a like or a don't like sentence? Ready? I like watching movies.
Like,
Correct. I don't like waking up early.
don't like,
Good. I like cooking.
like,
I don't like rain.
don't like.
Great job. Listeners, you can play this game too. Listen and decide, like or don't like. It's a great way to practice.
Emily, I think I'm getting better already.
You are, Jake, and you're helping everyone listening too. Let's add a few more verbs for fun. You can say, I like to go shopping. I like to travel. I like to take photos. I like to dance. I like to swim.
I like to travel. I like to take photos. I like to dance. I like to swim.
Wonderful. Listeners, try to repeat too. Which one do you like most?
I think I like traveling the most.
Me too. Traveling is amazing. You can also add really or a lot to make your sentence stronger. For example, I really like traveling. I like cooking a lot. Jake, can you try that?
Sure. I really like playing football. I like movies a lot.
Perfect. Those sound natural and friendly.
Emily, can I also say I love instead of I like?
Excellent question. Yes, of course. I love means you like it very much. For example, I love pizza. I love music. I love learning English.
I love learning English.
That's my favorite sentence.
Mine too.
Okay, let's do a quick review game for our listeners. I'll say a short description, and you try to guess the sentence. For example, if I say, you enjoy watching movies, you say, I like watching movies. Ready?
Ready.
You enjoy listening to music.
I like listening to music.
You enjoy swimming.
I like swimming.
You don't enjoy waking up early.
I don't like waking up early.
Excellent. You enjoy cooking.
I like cooking.
You love pizza.
I love pizza.
Wonderful. That was fun.
Yeah, that was great.
Let's finish with a small story to help everyone remember. Jake, imagine it's Sunday. What do you like to do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I like to sleep late. I like to eat breakfast slowly. I like to go out for coffee. I like to watch a movie in the evening.
That sounds perfect. I like Sundays too. I like to read a good book and listen to music. Sometimes I like to cook something new.
Yum! What do you like to cook?
I like cooking pasta. It's easy and tasty.
Nice! I like eating pasta.
Ha 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 ha. Perfect team. Listeners, what do you like to do on Sunday? Think about it. Can you make a few sentences? I like to...
Maybe say it out loud. I like to sleep. I like to go shopping. I like to relax. Practice is the key.
Yes, say it with us. I like to relax. I like to watch movies. I like to read books.
I like to drink coffee. I like to walk in the park.
Excellent practice. You're doing amazing. Let's review everything we learned today.
Okay.
We learned how to say what you like. I like to play football. I like watching movies. I like reading books. You can also say what you don't like. I don't like cold weather. I don't like waking up early. We learned how to ask, what do you like to do? Or, what are your hobbies? And we learned how to explain, I like it because it's fun.
Yes. And we learned how to make it stronger. I really like. I like it a lot. And I love.
Perfect summary.
Thank you, Emily.
Thank you, Jake. And a big thank you to all of you for listening to us today on Real English. We hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episodes.
And please share this episode with your friends and family who are also learning English.
We have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us, what do you like to do?
We'd love to read your answers. It's great to know more about our listeners.
Definitely. Thank you again, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye for now, and keep practicing.